What's going on, guys? YouTube, the Don87 on every social, by the way. So yes, I'm wearing the exact same stuff I was wearing in my last video, but in this video we're going to be talking about this grill, the 2006 Cateye Silverado, and it has the chrome grill. I'm going to be paint matching this, changing the emblem to black. I'm on my way home to prep it up and actually get it done right now, but the hazards are still on from the last video. So this is going to be coming out after my intro video of my quote-unquote coming back to YouTube. And today we are literally going to be paint matching this grill to the GM white. So I'm either going to be doing all the chrome, because I hate chrome, keeping the black mesh, or I'm going to do all white. But all white is kind of not what I want to do, in my opinion. I might also be paint matching the bumper in this video and or the A-frame back here, the radiator. I want to say support, but I know it's not the support. I'm not really totally sure what that actual part is called, but we're gonna head back right now and we are going to start prepping and paint matching this grill. So stick around for the final product. Probably end up back in this parking lot to show it off, but that depends on the temperature and the actual if it's dark out or not, because if it's dark out, probably can't see anything. Probably do a video tomorrow, and then rock lights are coming after that, so stay tuned. We're gonna figure this out here and actually get this this paint work done today, hopefully. So alrighty, so we're back at the house. We got the grill off, so pretty much all you're gonna do is take your valance off, or not your valance, but your little cover right here off. It's just a bunch of little pop screws, not screws, but they're little tabs. Everybody knows how to take those out. So you take that out, and then you have 6 points of contact. So one here, one here. You have one on each side of right there, and two right here. And it literally just pops off. It is now in my hands, off of the truck. We're gonna get this prepped right now, take the emblem off, get that painted, and we'll go from there. All right, so I'm on my workbench right now. To take the emblem off, it is literally just two 10mm right here. You take those off and then you're good to go. The emblem is completely off. Now you can paint your grill and paint this separately. All right, emblem is off. As you can see, it is looking absolutely horrendous. This was paint matched prior to the GM white, and it is taking a toll over the 2 years that I've owned the truck. So we're gonna be paint matching this. Well, not paint matching, but we're gonna be painting this black, and then the grill will be white. So we're gonna get into that. I'll show you guys the end result after that's all finished. All right, so we're on our bench right now. I'm about halfway through the masking process. First of all, you need blue Scotch tape. If you don't have it, you're not gonna get this done if you're gonna do it the way I'm doing it. This is a long and tedious process, but you have to make sure that these corners are perfect. You have to really get in the corners. And then you're gonna obviously cut all of this off. I'll show you guys when I'm done exactly what I mean, but you're gonna wanna cut every little piece along every little edge, and it has to be taped so perfectly, because if it's not, it's gonna look horrible. But this is where we're at right now. We're gonna get this paint finished up and go to the booth, paint it. The emblem is drying right now, and then we're gonna go on for some clear afterwards. So this is where we're at right now. I'll show you guys. You guys will, it'll be an eternity for me, but it'll be literally a millisecond for you guys. So I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so we are completely done with the masking. Everything that's not masked, I want to be painted. Make sure that all your lines are perfect, and check in these grooves and make sure everything is literally perfect. For the most part, mine is pretty perfect. You gotta remember, this is artwork pretty much that you're making. If you don't want it to look raggedy and jank, you have to prep is everything, dude. And I took a Scotch green pad. I went over all the chrome just to pray that it does something. I'm probably gonna primer over it, and then hope for the best, really. We'll see how the primer goes, because if that doesn't go good, then nothing's gonna go good. So I'm gonna catch with you guys after it's all painted, so the emblem and everything, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so emblem is done, and so is the grill. It went okay. I have a few problems, like here. That is just improper prep. I did my best. I could have used a stripper on the chrome, but I didn't. But it came out decent. The only issues I'm having now is my tape job, because, you know, I guess I'm not a professional painter, but I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. It does not look good in there, but for the most part, it looks pretty good so far. So, and you can't wait till the paint is 100% dry to take this paint off, because you'll literally rip it off. I mean the tape. So keep that in mind when you guys do this. So now I'm literally gonna put everything together, show you guys, and then I'll put it on the truck, and then that'll be the conclusion of the video. But not too bad so far, not too bad. All right, so we're here with the finished product. I still gotta screw down the emblem itself, but I mean the emblem's not perfect because of the imperfections that were on there prior, and I didn't feel like doing like crazy stuff with the emblem or buying a new one because they're $100 for some reason. But man, does this shit look good. So in the hex combs, I got a little bit of overspray through the paint, or the, I keep calling that paint, it's the tape. So if that ever happens to you, you just take some 100% acetone, go over it lightly on your grill, and it'll take most of it off. But man, can't wait to put this on the truck. I'm gonna put it on here in a few seconds. I'm gonna let it dry a little more, put some heat on it, and then we'll slap it on, finish up the video here. All right, so I already started getting it together. So pretty much 2 clips down there, and then you're gonna do your 2 clips up here. Ignore this, by the way. This is covered up by that thing right there, so we're not even gonna worry about it. I would take it off if I really feel the need to. I will take it off, but man, look at this line. I'm very proud of this line. That thing is okay. I lied. Well, it's just tape down in there, so I'll get that tape out. But see, lines like this, thankfully all the chrome has like a little indent, so you run the razor blade down it, it's good to go. So now we just need to really pop in these 2. Harder than it needed to be. Oh man, oh, that one's already popped in. Oh, we just gotta, now you have a paint matched cateye grill. Holy shit. So I'm gonna get this top part put back in, and then we're gonna get some shots of this thing. Probably gonna stay in the driveway, but damn. Oh yeah, that's nice. And here we have the finished product. It actually looks like it's 2 different colors right now, on the camera at least, but that is definitely because this truck is filthy. Like it's, oh man, like it's really bad. But besides that, it looks actually insane. It totally completed the look of the front end. I'm probably gonna do the last chrome delete, because this is the only piece of chrome on the entire truck left. It's definitely, I hate it. I hate that shit. But painting metal chrome, not even plastic chrome like that, this is true metal chrome, and man, is it a bitch to paint. So probably not going to touch that for a little while. For now it's all right, but thankfully we have the OEM Z71 paint right here, so that's all OEM. But for an at-home project that you guys want to take seriously, I wouldn't recommend doing it. Like, man, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. I wouldn't recommend doing it jank, because any sort of jankness is, it just, an OEM grill is going to look better than any jank paint job you're going to do. So if you're going to do it right. Now we'll see how this paint holds up. I put like 6 layers of paint, and then 1 or 2 layers of, I put like light coat of clear and a full one. So it's looking pretty good. Reflection is decent. So we're not pro painters, but we can paint enough to do it, you know. So it is absolutely killer. I'll probably put a little edit in here for you guys of just the actually I'm gonna make a TikTok on this, so we'll do a, well, I'll put my TikTok in the end of the video so you guys can check it out. So did it, guys. All the like and support that I've gotten over any social media. We're just going to continue to build this thing out. This is kind of like phase 1. So the grill was definitely the beginning of phase 2 on this cateye here. So once phase 2 comes around, it's literally going to be full white rock lights all over the place. And then we're going to get some 22 by 12s or 20 by 12s. I'm not so sure yet. -51 offset on 2-inch spacer. So it's going to be wide as a motherfucker. So Yep, pretty good. Probably end up getting another lift too, because the level does not look the greatest. But like I said, thanks guys for everything. Leave a like, comment on the video, see what I mean, tell me what I can do next to this thing. I'm kind of running out of ideas, especially it's a white cat eye, so it's not very original. Almost nothing you can do to this thing is original, but I appreciate it. The Don 87 on YouTube, obviously you guys can see that, and TikTok, Instagram, anything like ever that you could think of with social media, I'm on it as the Don .87 or _87. So either of the two, you'll know if it's me. So I appreciate it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.